Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, it's free of charge. Hit the subscription button, free of charge, to get more video from my page. Today I'm going to teach you how to find missing value when giving the means of a set of numbers. We have this question below. We have the mean of the five numbers. So x, 8, 2x, and 2 is shown. Calculate the value of x. You are given a set of number with the mean, and you are told to find the missing value among this value. Therefore, your solution will be we have 7 plus x plus 8 plus 2x plus 2 equals 7, and you have 5 number. So this means that this whole set of number divided by 5 will give you a means of 7. So this is an equation. You have equal sign, so that means you can multiply this on both sides. Since this is dividing, you can multiply this on both sides. So you have 5 here, you have 5 here. You can cancel this 5, you cancel this 5. 7 times 5 will give you 35, and you have 7 plus x plus 8 plus 2x plus 2 give you 35. So what you do, you add numbers with variables. So this will be 2x plus x will give 3x, will give you 3x, plus 7 plus 8 plus 2 will give you 17 is called 35. So this is adding, carry across, subtract. This will be minus 17, and this will be 3x is equal to 35 minus 17 will give you 35 minus 17 will give you 18. So since these variables is multiplied, these three variables I multiply, these two variables are multiplying, you use the opposite, you perform the opposite to multiplication, which is division. You divide this by 3, this and this cancel, x, and you perform on both sides of the equation 3 here. So x will be equal to 6, because 18 divided by 3 is 6.